Hey there, business owners. Are you tired of pouring time and money into marketing, but still seeing little to no results? In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a high converting sales funnel in this year that will not only increase your leads but convert them into paying customer on autopilot. Ready to level up your business? Let's dive in. Let me ask you this. Do you have a system in place that guides your prospects from being just curious to I want to buy now? If not, you're leaving serious money on the table. Without a sales funnel, you're basically hoping that visitors magically turns into customers. Spoiler alert, they won't. In today's digital world, people need to be nurtured through a journey. And without this, you are left with poor conversion rates, inconsistent revenue, and wasted ad spend. Sounds familiar? That's what happens when you don't have a structured sales funnel working for you. Okay, so what is a sales funnel? In simple terms, a sales funnel is the step by step journey a potential customer goes through from hearing about your brand for the first time to making a purchase decision and hopefully becoming a loyal customer. There are generally four key stages in a sales funnel. Number one, awareness. People first discover your brand. How would anyone know that you have this product or a service? How would they know? Awareness. Number two, interest. They are intrigued and want to learn more. The more you generate the awareness, the more you provide the information, the more interested in knowing more. Number three is decision. They are considering making a purchase with you. Now, the more interest you've generated, there are more likely of the decision that is coming your way for the purchase. And the last one is action. That means they buy. Your job is to guide your audience through these stages as smoothly as possible, making it easy for them to say yes. Now here's where most business owners struggles if they don't have a digital marketing solution in place. Without a proper funnel, you will struggle to generate leads consistently. Your customers may engage once and never come back. You will face higher ad costs with little to no return. You will waste time chasing cold leads instead of nurturing hot prospects. You know the drill. You're running ads, sending emails, posting on social media, but nothing seems to be converting the way you want. Why? Because you don't have a system in place to engage your audience, build trust, and convert them at every stage of the funnel. Now, let's talk about how to build your high converting sales funnel in 2024. So, you can avoid these headaches. Number one, what you can do is build a lead magnet. Start by offering something valuable to your audience in exchange of their email. This could be a free ebook, checklist, webinar, or whatever solves their pain point. Number two, craft a landing page. Your landing page needs to be laser focused. One message, one offer, one call to action. Make sure it is clear and speaks directly to their needs. Number three, use email automation to nurture your leads. Once someone signs up, don't just leave them hanging. Use automation emails to nurture them. Build trust, educate them about your product, and guide them towards making a purchase. Number four is implement retargeting ads. Many visitors won't buy right away, but that's okay. With retargeting ads, you can remind them about your product and keep them engaged with your brand. Number five, optimize and convert. Finally, analyze your data and optimize. Use tools like Google Analytics to track what's working and what needs to be tweaked for your funnel for better conversions. When you've got a well oiled sales funnel, you can generate high quality leads on autopilot. Nurture relationship with your audience until they are ready to buy. Don't rush. Drastically increase your conversion rate, lower your ad costs, and while maximizing revenue. With a sales funnel, you're no longer guessing, you are strategizing, and that's the key difference. So, what one step you can take today to start seeing business growth through digital marketing? Create a lead magnet and launch your first email campaign. Even if it's a simple guide or checklist, it's enough to start building your list and nurturing those leads into your buyers. Need more help? I've got tons of content on digital marketing, sales funnel, and lead generation. So make sure you stick around, subscribe to my channel. And if this video helped you understand the power of sales funnel and how to get started, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your business with digital marketing. Share this video with a few business owners who needs it. Let's all grow together. See you in my next video. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.